In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Yes, I am early going to the Red Cross with a meeting with a bunch of local emergency managers and just other people that are involved in kind of public safety stuff. And we're going to see how that ties into weather and what we can do to make people safer. So that's what the goal is, right? I like to talk about weather, but in the end, it's all about keeping people as safe as we can. And well, it'll be interesting. I'll let you know how that all goes. Looking out at Natchitoches right now, I mean, it's beautiful. The public is safe. So see, job well done. Maybe I don't have to go to the meeting. It is gorgeous out there this morning. Let me hit start recording. Yeah, I forgot to hit it yesterday. I hit it right in the middle of the show. So we got half a show on the 24-hour channel, but that's okay. All right, Natchitoches, looking beautiful up that way. Here in Alexandria, you guessed it, looks great here this morning. I actually do think we can get some rain to sneak in here a little later on today. And we already see that happening down to the west. Yeah, we could get a few sprinkles into West Louisiana earlier today, but I think we're going to hold off until later on before we get more scattered type showers in for the rest of the area, probably toward evening. And then things kind of take off tomorrow. We're going to get that heavier rainfall in the area, and we'll discuss all of this in just a second. It is in the 60s already, 63 Alexandria, Natchitoches holding at 59, but New Orleans, to balance that out, 70 degrees right there. Here's a look at the wind gusts for today, and we're going to see the winds picking up out of the south. Moisture comes in ahead of the system, then we get those showers to develop, and I think we get the heavier rainfall in here for Friday. But pretty manageable wind. This isn't one of those really stout systems that's going to bring us 50-mile-per-hour gusts or anything like that, but you'll hear the wind chimes chime. And planner for today, I think we see clouds now, maybe a few peaks of the sun mixed in. We kind of see, I saw a little filtered sunshine earlier, so I added a mostly cloudy in there because I'm feeling optimistic today. Highs near 80 degrees, and again, just some scattered sprinkles up until about 7. Nothing heavy, nothing severe. Don't worry about that. If you have a ball game this evening, I don't think it gets rained out. If you have something going tomorrow anywhere in the state, it probably gets rained out. Showers and storms coming through the area. We still have that marginal risk for severe, and you can just kind of see bands of rainfall working through the area. Saturday at 6 a.m. looks like it's exiting the area. I think we keep some scattered stuff in here. I'll take you through the GFS model in just a second. It goes out further, but severe outlooks, let's go through, let's see, we have day 2, 4, and 5 here. So Friday, we have a marginal risk for severe weather. Instability, almost nothing, but I do think we see just enough to maybe see a severe storm or two. This is not going to be a big outbreak, and they look different once you get past day 3. So this is the Sunday forecast, and yes, I know that's 3 days from now, but today is day 1. The math is weird, but that's what we have going right now. It looks like, oh yeah, Mom, it is opening day. I just saw that. You distracted me. I gotta set my fantasy baseball lineups. Whew. Scary. I almost forgot that. We can't have that. Here's your severe outlook for Sunday, though. You can see from the Great Lakes down to Texas. This outlook's huge. It doesn't mean there's a huge outbreak. I think we're going to see scattered potential for severe weather throughout this. So if you're traveling on Sunday, could be a bit of an issue, and that could linger into Monday morning down here. So a far-reaching system. Doesn't look like the strongest thing in the world here, but we'll be watching for our local impacts, and here is what it looks like on that GFS model. There you go. Showers and thunderstorms Friday. You can see that kind of works through during the day. And then Saturday, I think we keep some scattered rain in the area. I don't think we're going to have to cancel everything that's going on Saturday or anything like that. So outdoor plans, they're looking okay. Sunday, we get that round of storms moving through again. Right, this is like the last one. I think they're going to develop from the north, move to the south, and they're going to come through at a terrible time. So I'm going to be crabby on Monday if you see me at the grocery store. Just, have a little grace. And then it looks like the week, I think we keep some scattered rain chances in here, but we're not going to have this widespread crazy event going on there. It does look like we kind of stay active here. Oh, well, that's nice. The rainfall panel is totally gone. Let me see if I can pull this up somewhere else, because we can't have that. I guess that map's just not updating. Let's go over to this source, which is my internet browser. Okay, you can see a lot of purples and pinks here, and looking at the legend, it's kind of hard to see there, but a widespread, I think, 2 to 3 inches of rainfall over the next 7 days is what we're looking at. So yeah, I know that's not the best way to look at things, but you can see it's going to rain a lot. So that's your day. That's over the next 1 to 2 days. That shows you kind of what happens through Friday, and you can see most of the heavy rain is going to occur in that time frame. But we have that threat for severe weather after that. So I can pop this off. We can go back over to hopefully see the rest of the maps. And yeah, the 7 days looking good there. Rain showers and thunderstorms, maybe a few today. I think we get a few showers, 10%, 20% coverage, something like that. Good chance for storms Friday, scattered stuff, especially early Saturday, and then especially late Sunday, Sunday into Monday. These chances aren't huge, but I do think some scattered severe storms possible. And then we have rain chances in the forecast every day for the next 7 days. Now, does that mean it's going to rain every day for the next 7 days? Probably somewhere in the area, but I don't think everyone sees rain every day. So you're going to see some rain here, but that crazy looking 7-day forecast doesn't mean big flooding rains. And I do kind of like how this is being presented again, so I will go back to showing you the 8 to 14 day outlook. I think it's pretty warm, and I think we stay pretty active now. It looks like that high pressure ridge we'd been talking about building in. This is why long range forecasts aren't exact. Well, it looks like that's not going to happen now. So we keep things pretty active in that April 4th through 10th time frame, and we're going to be here to tell you all the details. All right, time to spare here. Got to shut things down. Go to that meeting and hopefully save the world. I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a great Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Weekend time's coming. I'm going to smell those crawfish boiling as I roll down Jackson Street. I'll see you later.